Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate mobile optimization with Google Search Console, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Google Search Console account. Once you're logged in, select the property you want to optimize. Navigate to the Mobile Usability section in the left-hand menu. Review the report to identify any errors affecting mobile users. Take note of issues such as viewport configuration, text size, or clickable elements. Address these issues in your website's code or design. After making the necessary adjustments, return to Google Search Console. Use the Mobile Usability report to monitor any changes. Next, go to the URL inspection tool in the sidebar. Enter the URL of a page you've optimized for mobile. Click on Test Live URL to see how Googlebot views the page. Examine any mobile usability issues flagged by the tool. Fix any highlighted issues in your site's mobile configurations. Once resolved, request indexing for the optimized page. Next, navigate to the Performance section of Google Search Console. Filter the performance report by mobile devices. Analyze the performance metrics to understand user engagement. Make note of pages that require additional optimization. Consider using responsive design frameworks for better mobile experiences. Regularly check the Mobile Usability report to ensure ongoing optimization. Incorporate user feedback to enhance mobile functionality. Finally, revisit your Google Search Console account periodically to assess overall mobile performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.